लब पे आती है दुआ बन के तमन्ना
हयाती शम्मा जी सूरत हो जी रब साईं मुंजी पूरी दुनिया
Nucleus contained in cytoplasm. So what is cytoplasm? Cytoplasm is lisosomes, mitochondria, Golgi complex, and Nissen's body. Nissen's body it synthesis provide synthesis protein because it contains ribosome. Then dendrites arise from soma. Yes, sir.
Thank you. Thank you. God bless you. Yes. What is your structure? The madhila hai heart. Yes. Where is the coronary artery? In this.
Right side. Right side is the main organism, circulatory system. It is a constant shape of external shape. It is a constant shape of external. External part of the four chambers left upper are thick walled called atrium, and lower chambers are
Yes, you are doing very well.
Right atrium, right ventricle is the contact of discupped valve. ये जो हमारी डिस्कप्ट वाल्व है हमारे जो लेफ्ट आर्टरी भी होता है ये हमारे ट्रांसफर करता है लेफ्ट वेंट्रिकल में जो हमारे थ्रू होती है पल्मोनरी आर्टरी के जरिए लेके जाते हैं लंग्स को तो लंग्स में हमारी जो गैसेस चेंज होती है वो वापस आती है पल्मोनरी वेन के थ्रू आती है और लेफ्ट आर्टरी में आती है फिर मर्ट्यूरियल वाल्व के थ्रू जाती है हमारे लेफ्ट और वेंट्रिकल में आर्टरी में आके जो एक आर्टरीज होती है जो डिस्ट्रीब्यूट कर देती है हमारे अदर्स बॉडीज में मतलब
Well done. Thank you. Well. Ear. Yes.
First, any word is ear. Ear, the sense organ of hearing and balance. There are three parts of ear: outer ear, middle ear, inner ear. There are also three parts of outer ear: pinna, ear canal, eardrum. First, any word is pinna. Pinna is the first part of our outer ear. Its function is collect sound waves. And ear canal. These sound waves come from the pinna and pass through the ear canal. And the eardrum. It started vibration back and forth rapidly. And
What is this?
this is the outer ear.
So, the external structure of the morphology of human is scientific name of human is Homo sapiens. So, it's called implementary system. It consists of nerve, hair, and our skin. It regulates the body temperature, and second one is circulatory system. This is the circulatory system. And circulatory system consists of blood. Now, this is the respiratory system. Respiratory system is a process in which oxygen is released to our energy release. Energy is ATP. ATP stands for amino diphosphate, and it consists of our lungs, bronchioles, and respiratory system are lungs, which consist bronchioles, bronchi, and alveoli, which are also called air sacs. In this air sacs exchange the gases carbon dioxide exhale and oxygen inhale. Oxygen inhale away from our atmosphere in plants and carbon dioxide release. So and there is a secretion appears in our mitochondria. Mitochondria is present in cell which is organelle, which is the powerhouse of cell.
This is the structure of human skin. Yes. What do you mean by skin?
It is a protecting layer.
Yes, Zabardast.
Good.
Zabardast. Yes. Can you explain anything on this?
Yes.
Yes.
First layer of skin is epidermis. It is the first layer of skin which is made up of flat dead cells which contain keratin protein. This content does not contain blood vessels. It is to perform two functions. It is impermeable to water, prevent the loss of water from the body. It works as a protecting layer, prevent the entry of microorganisms. And second,
Yes, you can. If you can. Yes.
dermis. It is a layer between epidermis and hypodermis. It contains different structures like nerve ending receptors. They detect temperature change, pain, etc. Sweat gland secrete sweat on the surface to maintain temperature and also secrete urea, water and salt. And sebaceous gland or hair follicle, it secretes oil sebum and network of arteries. It involves in temperature regulation. And third is hypodermis. It is a layer, the innermost layer of skin which contains fats. It works as an insulating layer against the loss of heat. It also stores energy.
Thank you. Yes, what is this?
Sir, it is a blood cell.
Blood cell. Can you explain what is blood cell? What is the function of blood cell?
Function of blood cell, it contains red blood cell, platelets, plasma and white blood cell.
Zabardast.
First of all, red blood cell. A red blood cell is an oval shape called red blood cell. It transfers oxygen in our body. And with plasma. Plasma is the fluid. The red blood cell consists of 100% material. Then 55% is plasma and 45% is white blood cell, red blood cell and color. The function of plasma is it controls the glucose, that's high and low. And sister, Myra is about that.
White blood cell, it protects our body from parasites like bacteria, fungi and virus, and platelets control the bleeding.
Thank you.
Chromosome contain a complex called deoxyribonucleic acid DNA which control the development of a character that an organism inherited from its parents, such as skin color, eye color, shape of nose, dimple, etc. The DNA molecule is a twisted letter called double acid. Its name is hexonide, hydronide, adenine. Assalamu alaikum, respected listeners, my dear myself, Ikram Mumtaz video from class 9. Today I am here present about hydraulic bridge. At first I will clear your concept about hydraulic bridge. Hydraulic bridge is first built in the famous city of England country and in other countries. It is a hydraulic bridge. It runs on the principles of pressure and Pascal's law. Pascal's law states that external pressure is applied on any enclosed distributes equally at every point in the liquid. So there are so many applications of Pascal's law such as hydraulic brakes and hydraulic bridge. So in hydraulic bridge we use two pistons. Number one is pushing piston and other one is the hydraulic jack. When any ship crosses below the bridge we apply little pressure on pushing piston. So that jack pistons moves the bridge and ship can be easily crossed the river.
Thank you. Very nice. Yes, very nice. Respiratory system. Yes.
Hello, I'm Arvind from class 9th A. So today I'm presenter for the respiratory system. So the human respiratory system consists on nose, pharynx, larynx, and trachea, bronchi, bronchus, and alveoli. First of all, nose. Nose is the first part of respiratory system, and nose have a cilia and mucus. cilia is a filter of air. जो cilia होती है, जो air होती है, वो जो हमारे नाक के जरिए हमारी बॉडी में इंटर होती है, उस जो air होती है उसे फिल्टर करती है हमारी cilia. और जो cilia वो होता है जो हमारे नाक में जो छोटे छोटे बाल होते हैं उसे हम बोलते हैं cilia. और म्यूकस क्या है? म्यूकस हम नमी को बोलते हैं. और म्यूकस का काम क्या होता है? जो म्यूकस होता है वो हमें जो हमारी जो एयर होती है उसे जर्म से प्रोटेक्ट करता है. और जो है मॉइसिस होता है, नमीदार उसको करता है. और दूसरा नंबर है हमारा आता है फेरिक्स. जब हमारा पासिंग थ्रो हमारी जो एयर होती है वो बॉडी में जब इंटर होती है, हमारे जो बॉडी में इंटर होती है वो नाक से इंटर होकर हमारी जाती है फेरिक्स में. फेरिक्स इज ऑल्सो कॉल्ड कॉमन ट्यूब. जो हमारे वो उसे जिसे हम कॉमन ट्यूब भी कहते हैं। और कॉमन ट्यूब से हमारी जो पासिंग होती है वो हमारी ट्रेकिया में होती है, ट्रेकिया से हमारे एसोफेगस में होती है। अब एसोफेगस क्या है? एसोफेगस इज़ अ फुट पाइप, जबकि ट्रेकिया हमारा एयर पाइप है। और हमारे फुट पाइप और हमारे जो ट्रेकिया है, एसोफेगस और ट्रेकिया के ऊपर एक फ्लैट सा ढक्कन लगा होता है जिसे हम बोलते हैं ग्लोटिस। और ग्लोटिस कवर्स इन एपिग्लोटिस, जो ग्लोटिस है वो कवर्ड है एपिग्लोटिस में। और एक जो है वो सिल्क लगा होता है। और सिल्क हमारे ग्लोटिस के ऊपर क्यों लगा होता है कि जब हम खाना खाते हैं तो हमें बहुत ज़्यादा खाने के दौरान हमें बहुत ज़्यादा कफलिंग हो जाती है। फिर कफलिंग क्यों होती है? जो एपिग्लोटिस होती है वो कभी कभी खाना खाने के दौरान वो ओपन हो जाती है, तो जो हमारा फूड है वो हमारे एयर वाली नाली से चला जाता है, तो हमें बहुत ज़्यादा कफ हो जाती है। फिर कफ की वजह से जो एयर है वो हमारे सारे वापस से फूड वाली नाली में चला जाता है। ना ही लंबी लंबी सांस लेनी चाहिए। और इसके बाद है लिरिक्स। लिरिक्स इज कॉल्ड अ वॉइस बॉक्स और साउंड बॉक्स। और ये लिरिक्स है, वो जो लिरिक्स है वो रेस्पिरेटरी सिस्टम का वो हिस्सा है जो साउंड प्रोडक्शन में काम करवाता है। और उसके बाद आता है हमारा ट्रेकिया। अब ट्रेकिया क्या है? पासिंग स्ट्रक्चर इंस्ट्रक्ट बोन्स की बनी होती है, जो कि सॉफ्ट बहुत ही सॉफ्ट हमारे जो ये है वो हमारी ये कार्टिलेजेस जो सॉफ्ट हमारी बनी हुई है ट्रेकिया। और उस ट्रेकिया आल्सो है सिलिया एंड म्यूकस। हमारे ट्रेकिया के पास भी एक सिलिया और दूसरा म्यूकस होता है। और हमारे ट्रेकिया में भी एयर फिल्टर होता है और मॉइसिस होता है। हमारे ट्रेकिया में एक जो हवा जो है वो साफ हो गई और दूसरा फिल्टर हो गई। हमारे लंग में भी आता है ट्रेकिया, ब्रोंक्यूल्स एंड एल्वोलाई हमारी लंग्स में भी है। जो हमारा जो ट्रेकिया इज डिवाइडेड इनटू ब्रोंकील्स एंड जो ब्रोंकी है ब्रोंकील से एयर गुजर के हमारे डिवाइडेड इनटू ब्रोंक्यूल्स और हमारी एयर फिर ब्रोंक्यूल्स में चल जाती है। और ब्रोंक्यूल्स के पास एक पाउच सा स्ट्रक्चर होता है, उसमें उसको बोलते हैं हम एल्वोलाई। अब एल्वोलाई क्या है? एल्वोलाई में हमारी जो गैसेज हैं वो एक्सचेंज होती है, ऑक्सीजन एंड कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड। जो ऑक्सीजन है वो हमारी ब्लड में जाती है और कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड हम सांस के जरिए बाहर निकालते हैं।
Thank you very much.
Sir, excuse me. Sir, this is for you.
Assalamualaikum everyone.
Thank you.
Beginning with the great glorious name of Almighty Allah, who is sustainer in the entire universe, who is alone, who was alone, who will be alone on the day of judgment. Good morning everyone, and thank you all for coming today. I am Amna from grade 9 as a presentator. The topic which is assigned to me is about kidney.
About
Kidney.
kidney.
Life is not a problem, it is an experience. I am going to focus on 6 main points. Number 1, facts. Right kidney is slightly below than left, and 1.5 million ml of blood pass through kidney each 24 hours. Kidney filter 170 liter per day. Why? Because there is reason behind it. Number 2 point, location. Lies on posterior abdominal wall right below the ribcage, LW to L3 vertebral level. And number 3 point, size, shape, weight. Size 4 to 5 inches long and shape bean shape, and weight 150 gram weight. And number 4 point is texture. Cortex is outer reddish layer and medulla is innermost layer, and pelvis is a funnel-like space. It is enlarged portion of ureter inside the kidney. And pyramids, cup-shaped cavities in which urine is stored. And blood vessels, renal artery and renal vein. And function, last one, function of kidney is urine formation, filtration of waste product from blood, and maintenance of water and salts in the body. I'll be happy to take any questions now.
Thank you.
Assalamualaikum. I am Ayn as a president of Fund of Care. Today my topic is urinary system of man. So first of all, urinary system of man consists of a pair of bean-shaped organ called kidney, a pair of the ureters which arise from each kidney, and a muscular bag-like organ called urinary bladder, and a tube called urethra, which arise the bladder and empties the urine from the body. And this one is bladder and this one is urethra. At the end of the urethra has a sphincter wall which control and feeds the urine from the bladder. So ureter, a pair of ureters, a urinary bladder, a pair of kidneys. Urine passes through the kidney and from the bladder. Bladder stores the urine and leaves.
Yes.
Assalamualaikum. This is the project on kingdom classification.
The class. Yes.
First of all, I tell you who discovered kingdom classification and when discovered kingdom classification. Robert Whittaker was discovered kingdom classification in 1960. So first is kingdom phonema. It includes all the prokaryotic organisms, and this is an example of phonema. This is the cyanobacteria and syphilis bacteria. And the second is kingdom protista. This is an example of kingdom protista, and this is the amoeba. It includes all the eukaryotic organisms, and the third is kingdom fungi. This is an example of fungi, and the third is also it includes all the bacterial organisms, and